I am Bookface. I was not able to actually physically record a video, so we're doing this instead. I have no idea how it's going to look because I haven't done this before, so fingers crossed. The creatures we talk about today are from Lumberjack Folklore, because why not? So let's jump right in. Whoa! First we have the Squonk, which is a creature that lives in northern Pennsylvania. Its skin is thought to be very saggy, covered in warts and other marks. Now, what are the other details of this creature? Well, it doesn't have any. Its only real features are that it's ugly, and that it's very ashamed of how ugly it is. And it also cries because it's ugly. And so it hides from people. That's just sad. When cornered by a hunter, the Squonk will actually dissolve into a pool of tears in order to not get caught. Maybe this is just a symptom of it being really embarrassed about looking bad, but if that's supposed to be a survival adaptation, it's not very helpful, considering it's an insta-death. Also, the scientific name for this creature is Lacrimicorpus dissolvens, which means tear, body, and dissolve. The next creature we have is the Beru, which is just an awesome creature just because its name is so fun to say. Beru. It's thought to be a forest-dwelling creature larger than a bear. It was also thought to be shaped like a walking football with shiny black skin, although some also say it's the shape of a bear, so I guess just a football-shaped bear. Additionally, it was completely bald except for its eyebrows and its chin. It would run around and eat anything that looked like food, and could eat an entire horse in one sitting. You know that's not supposed to be literal, right? And this ravenous bald bear-like creature was also completely impenetrable to weapons, which is a big issue if, one's trying to kill you. But it did have a weakness. Just shoot it with fire and it'll explode. The last creature we have is the Argot Altar, which is a monkey-like creature with a slender body and an ape's face, and very long whip-like arms. It's thought to be completely covered in black fur except for a light gray patch on its face resembling a skull. It's thought to live in hollow trees in conifer woods from Maine to Oregon. That is a very expansive region. This creature is thought to sit on top of trees and throw branches at intruders. The branches that this creature threw were thought to have the power of a bullet. Some also think it's so incredibly fast that no one's ever seen it, even though there's a pretty solid description. And much like most creatures from Lumberjack Folklore, the Argot Altar is often blamed for disappearance in the woods, especially if those deaths were caused by random falling tree branches. Because it can't just be gravity. Nah, it's a whipping ape. The diet of these creatures was thought to consist of woodpeckers, hoot owls, and rotten wood. And there's a surprising amount of detail in how it gives birth. For example, the young ones are called pups and are only born on February 29th in an odd-numbered group. So there we have 3 more creatures from Lumberjack Folklore. Sorry, this is going to be a very short video again, but I'm trying. I'm in a bit of a situation where I can't record any videos for the time being, so this is the best I can do. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. I just did a video on angels, go watch that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.